All right, thank you everyone for joining our webinar and presentation titled, Think You Can't Afford Construction Technology? Think Again. Subscriptions are a common everyday option from things like mobile phones and streaming media like Spotify and Netflix. Today, we're going to talk a little bit more about how subscriptions are now available for construction technology products, including Trimble Earthworks Machine Control and Siteworks Field Systems. At the conclusion of this presentation, we hope that you will have learned how construction technology subscriptions work, the primary benefits of alternative ownership models, and how to achieve your tech-enabled productivity goals by freeing up your business capital. Please note, Works subscriptions that we're going to be talking about today are currently available everywhere except the United States and Canada. So a little bit about what is it. The Trimble Works subscriptions are a flexible software bundled ownership model that lets contractors purchase their hardware upfront and subscribe to software solutions for their business. Subscription models represent a new path to affordability for contractors worldwide. The predictable monthly fee with Works subscriptions allow you to purchase either Earthworks or Siteworks software or both. It includes Trimble hardware and software protection plans with accidental damage available in certain regions. It includes hardware upgrades to corresponding new hardware technology. It also includes productivity software that connects your field to office workflows. And of course, it includes world-class site tech support for everything from on-machine grade control systems to off-machine base stations, data collectors, rovers, and software support. Also, every subscription bundle includes Trimble Works Manager field to office software to easily transfer data to and from devices over the internet.
Hi, my name is Glenn Martin, but you can call me Gleno. I'm a program specialist in the Trimble Works subscription team. I've been with Trimble for 29 years in a variety of different roles in the geospatial and construction industries.
And my name is Alex Heinlein. I am based out of Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm officially the North America Subscription Program Manager. I have been with Trimble about a year now and in the construction technology industry for about 5 years. My main role here with Trimble is to develop the subscription program to best fit our customer needs and best fit the offering to help as many customers as possible achieve their technology goals. So we want to start off with this presentation with a few things that we hope you will consider as we're going through this presentation today. We want you to consider a lot of the important aspects of construction technology ownership and how they could influence your purchasing method. So things like tracking and managing your technology to get the most out of your investment, the difficulties of mixed fleet ownership and the obstacles they may present, fleet modernization and the obstacles of obsolescence, as well as the maintenance and upkeep costs and their impacts on job site profitability. Before we get more into the program, we want to do a quick introduction of Trimble. Here at Trimble, we believe that our success is directly linked to our customer success. Global demand for Trimble technologies totaled $3.6 billion in 2022, with more than 11,000 employees in 40 plus countries and a global network of dealers and distribution partners. We form relationships with customers in more than 150 different countries. We operate research and development centers in 15 countries and have invested more than $540 million into exploring new technologies in 2022. With 2,200 plus active patents, Trimble is among the most innovative companies in the world. With this in mind, let's talk a little bit more about what Trimble can offer and how our construction technology can help you. So what is construction technology? Construction technology is not only just the use of hardware and software to get the most out of your job site, it is the innovative tools, workflows, and processes that can help your job sites run efficiently. Construction technology can help your job site run at its most productive level and allow your operators, surveyors, data modelers, and site supervisors to get the most out of every day. Starting from the initial survey to the estimate and bid phase to the grading of final work stages, construction technology can allow you to run at peak performance. You know, this all sounds great, but you may ask, how can construction technology achieve this? It achieves this by connecting many of the typical workflows into one seamless experience. These productivity and resource gains lead to many benefits, things like more estimates to win more bids, improving overall productivity by 40% or more. You can prove job site progress for more on-time payments, and you can verify your work and quality with as-built as you go through the process. So let's take a look at what this means in reality. Our customers report a number of difficulties with job site productivity. Collectively, 85% of projects exceed budget, 92% exceed schedule, and 63% of projects have quality issues. 90% of construction companies face talent shortages, and on average, 40% of job site activity is unproductive. With Trimble construction technology, ultimately you can deliver projects faster with 40% less rework, fewer errors altogether, and ultimately complete this work with a reduced carbon footprint and reduced fuel consumption through all of these efficiency gains. You can also get 40% faster field execution using Trimble technology, including constructible models that make field work more efficient, accurate, and profitable. Enabled by more than 12 million users and more than 500,000 connected machines and equipment, we hope that you start to see these productivity gains as well. So all of these things may sound great, but we also hear from our customers some obstacles with purchasing construction technology. So let's talk a little bit about those now. One of the things that we hear most frequently is that construction technology is a large upfront investment. It is a long-term investment in your organization, and oftentimes the price can reflect this. The software portion of your on and off machine systems can vary in costs, anywhere from $20,000 to $45,000 in upfront costs. Many customers report that this is a major concern when considering investments in construction technology. Consider what this investment could be used for. If there was another resource that your business relied on that you could allocate that capital to. So leading to the ultimate question, what is your capital worth? If there's another way to purchase construction technology, what else could your business invest in? Things like additional headcount, newer machinery, and other resources that your business depends on. Another obstacle that we hear from our customers is that technology is always changing and improving, which could result in their systems becoming out of date sooner. There are always new versions of the equipment they rely on, and they've gotten so used to the products that they use in their everyday lives becoming outdated quickly. With constantly changing and improving technology, what is the best way to keep up? It's hard to stay up to date with these constant changes, and sometimes the cost to do so can be prohibitive. One job site could be using multiple generations of the same product, which leads to complications with support and uptime. Standardization prevents knowledge gaps between your crews and keeps sites running. Maintaining your fleet and making sure it's up to date is a major consideration when exploring construction technology. The final major obstacle we hear is the difficult nature of maintaining the software, firmware, and factory warranties of all your products. With hardware and software spread across multiple job sites, tracking and ensuring your software is always up to date can be a perceived difficulty that we hear from a lot of our customers. Maintaining your software, firmware, and factory warranties can be key to your fleet maintenance operations, and having devices on various software versions can cause confusions on job sites. When your technology uptime and reducing knowledge gaps can mean the difference between making money or losing money, time is of the essence. But what if you don't have to worry about any of these obstacles? What if there was a better way? Today, we'd like to talk a little bit more about Trimble Works Subscriptions and how you can get the most for your technology purchase. I'll turn it over to Gleno to talk more in depth about this offering.
Thanks, Alex. We've been listening carefully to customers just like you. Let's consider these obstacles. We have an alternative solution that we'd like to educate you on. Alex has covered in the earlier brief. Trimble Works Subscriptions can help navigate these obstacles and alleviate concerns that keep you up at night as a contractor or a business owner. Trimble Works Subscription can help you as a contractor. The subscription service can simplify and speed up budgeting process because your short-term spending requirements are lowered. It allows to make multiple investments across the business since your capital isn't tied up in upfront expenditures. You can fund expenses faster through operations rather than needing to borrow or divert money from other projects. It helps smooth out cash flow in the operation over time. Flexibility comes with picking the best bundle option available that matches your business needs. Let's look at the subscription benefits. The software is offered in the Earthworks and SiteWorks subscription bundles provide a wide range of benefits that you can capitalize on. If you're a larger contractor with multiple crews, fleets, and projects scattered across several locations, this gives you the visibility into each of them from the comfort of your office, the boardroom, or even the cab of your truck. Works gives you the freedom to manage your hardware, firmware and software versions and ensures you're the most up-to-date version for your job site. You'll also be able to monitor your projects to ensure you're consistently or ahead of schedule and under budget. Concerns about whether or not your equipment is still under warranty? Well, with Works, we can throw that concern right out the door. Your hardware and software will always be covered under factory warranty, and where available, accidental damage coverage is offered. By utilizing Work subscriptions for your company, you now have the ability to standardize your fleet. Some of the additional benefits you'll receive that we didn't cover on the previous slides are the ability to have faster technology adoption, minimize financial risk with technology assurance and factory warranty damage and repair coverage. You won't have to worry about those unexpected costly surprises. The big one here is predictability. You'll know exactly what your technology costs will be month after month through the term of your subscription. Accurate project bids with predictable monthly costs for your construction technology. You'll know exactly how much money to assign for a project bid that you are using with the technology. Completing projects on time and maximizing your productivity. Your world-class support from your SciTech dealers, your hardware and software is kept up to date and operational. So let's talk about how the process works. If you're interested in learning more about Work subscriptions and how it can benefit your company, schedule or call a meeting with your local SciTech dealer. They'll be able to communicate to you more about the Work subscription systems and bundles. Once you've had a chance to see all the options available, you'll be able to determine what solution that's necessary or needed for your company. From there, the SciTech and Trimble can work you through the Works estimator tools to help determine what budget and variety of options and terms that are necessary to make best sense for your business. Once the product bundles and term has been agreed upon, the SciTech will be able to place the order. Once the order has been placed, the SciTech will provide the physical materials, thoroughly inspect and provision those, and coordinate with your team the best method for delivery and installation of the Trimble equipment. Let's focus on what's available with Works. There are two group options here. Whether you have a fleet of dozers, excavators, motor graders, or a combination of them all, Works has a solution to best fit all of those. The Works options. You have 6 contract term lengths from 12 months to 72 months in yearly installments. That's 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72-month periods. The billing can be monthly or annual. They can be on a single machine system, or they can be on an all-machine system and can be interchangeably used between machines. Individual cab kits, base stations, rovers, and data collectors can all be supported both on and off machines. With Works, you have the flexibility to add multiple products to a bundle. Construction companies worldwide are seeing the benefits of technology adoption. Companies that are researching and implementing construction technology are seeing increased productivity, better collaboration, and are completing projects on time and under budget, ultimately resulting in higher profit margins. As you start on your technology journey, think about the hidden costs and plan for them. Research your options both online, over the phone, and in person. You're making a long-term investment here, and it can change the course of your company's future. If all this makes sense to you, then your business and you're motivated to learn more about how to purchase your construction technology with a Works subscription bundle, visit our website, www.civilconstruction.trimble.com. If you're already working with a SciTech dealer, feel free to contact them directly for advice, installation, and support, and feel free to email me if necessary directly at glenn_martin@trimble.com. I'll be more than happy to go through any of the details and help point you in the right direction and connect you with the nearest SciTech dealer. Now that we've come to the conclusion part of the presentation, you've heard and seen all the details on the Trimble Works subscription. I have one last question to you that Alex posed at the beginning of the presentation. What is your capital worth? On behalf of Alex and the entire Work Subscription team, thank you for taking your time out of your busy schedule to join our webinar and learn more about how Work Subscription may be a viable option and affordable solution for your business.